on September 14th, 2007. Tank coming from the Lockheed Martin facilities at Michoud in Louisiana, near New Orleans. Tank was offloaded from the barge and then transported over to the vehicle assembly building. Once in the transfer aisle, it was then rotated to vertical so that it could be moved into a checkout cell. Inside the booster, looking at the grain of the solid propellant inside for consistency or any observable flaws. This is the forward frustum containing the parachute. And then the orbiter entered the vehicle assembly building where the lifting sling would be attached so that it could then be rotated to vertical and hoisted for mating to the external tank and solid rocket booster stack. This occurred on November 4th of last year. Once Atlantis was mated and the shuttle interface test was performed to verify the complete interface of all of the connections, both electrical and mechanical, to verify that the orbiter and the external tank and solid rocket boosters were working together as an integrated unit, then the preparations began for the rollout to Pad 39A, which occurred on November the 7th, 2007. The crawler transporter moving out to the launch pad at 1 mile an hour. Rollout occurring in the overnight hours, darkness hours, and the shuttle was en route to the pad when sunrise occurred. Atlantis now ready to go up the pad ramp, the incline. Hydraulic systems on the crawler transporter keeping Atlantis level as it goes up the incline, goes up the ramp. Once Atlantis was atop the pad, all of the connections were made between the pad and Atlantis on the mobile launcher platform. This is the Columbus Laboratory in the payload bay of Atlantis. These are the payload bay doors being closed for flight. closing first. And then the right-hand door closing. Here we can see the Freon flex hose that needed to be inserted down inside its container. A special device was made by the team to be able to reach in and gradually lower the hose that had what was called the omega bend, slight bend in shape, which kept it from going down inside the container. And it went inside very easily, and then the door continued to close for flight.